Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to view a UAE VAT Summary Report in the Fresa Global Application. Let's get started. First, log into the Fresa Global Application. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to the home page. Next, navigate to the menu page. Once the menu page opens, type UAE VAT Summary in the search bar and click Search. From the search results, select UAE VAT Summary. The UAE VAT Summary page will then open. On this page, enter the required details such as from date, to date, branch, and transaction number. Once all the necessary information has been entered, click Submit. After clicking Submit, the UAE VAT Summary details will be displayed on the screen. To view the report, click the Report option available in the top right corner of the page. You will be redirected to the report page. Click on the UAE VAT report to view the complete UAE VAT Summary Report. That's it. This is how you can view a UAE VAT Summary Report in the Fresa Global Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.